Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm gonna show you as to how you can download the Ubuntu in GNS3. Let me open GNS3. The moment I open GNS3, it will automatically come up with VMware because I have already done the integration of GNS3 with VMware. So whatever project I open I create in GNS3 VM. So this is also recommended actually. You create all the projects in GNS VM, and because this is much efficient and gives you their robust results. So this is a new project. So let me make it like Ubuntu. Now I can see that the image of Ubuntu is not here. So for this, what I'll have to do, I'll have to go to GNS3, not this boxes, go to gns3.com. Inside GNS3, go to Marketplace. From Marketplace, go to Appliance. And in Appliance, you can search the applications. You can search the applications Ubuntu. So once you click it, you can choose any one. There's Ubuntu server actually, and this is Ubuntu desktop. So I will choose this one, let's say. Click on download. So from here you can download Ubuntu. So this is downloading the copy actually because I'd already downloaded the Ubuntu from here. Now the image has been downloaded. Go back to GNS3, go to files, okay, and go to import appliance. Once you click there, Ubuntu GUI or this one, whatever, there. Install the application on the GNS3 VM that is recommended. It will give you the QEMU binary, and then here you would see that the files are missing. Right. So this section, how you go, let's say if you want to download 18.0 and this is missing, so go to download. Because I do not see any file here, so go to download. It will take you to another window, and from here you can download the Ubuntu. Let's say this is a freeware actually, but asks for the donation. Ubuntu 18.4.6. Let's see which flavor it just gives. 18.04.6. So this is the image which we are looking for, 18.04.6. Since we are not installing it in the VM, Unix VM, so click on VMware, and from here you can download this. So once you download it, it will take you to the source force, and from here you can download it. Your download would automatically start. So this goes 64-bit 7Z. So what you can do better, yeah, since the download will take some time, so to save the time, what I can do, let me cancel this and let me go to the file which I had already downloaded, though it was for 16.0.6, but the method is same. So what you'll do, once you get this file from that website, okay, what you have to do is to import it. Now once you click on import, you need to go to that section where you have this file. Let's say I have this file saved in GNS3 folder, so this one, from here you can select, and once you select, it will import this file, and post that you would see the missing files which is highlighted as red, that will go green because we have given it the file. Now it is uploading the Ubuntu image. So by the time it uploads, let me pause the video. Now that is it has installed, and you can see the term missing has been replaced with ready to install. So now GNS3 has detected and already have got the image. The best I would do is click on next. Would you like to install Ubuntu desktop guest version 16.0? Yes, I would like to do it. The template will be available in the guest category, and this would be the username. So what you can do, you can copy it and paste, because the moment it pops up a window of putting the password, you'll have to put the password, this password, osboxes.org. So we need to click on finish. Once you finish it, see here, you'd see an icon with the name of Ubuntu guest, desktop guest. So let me pull it here, double click it. Okay, everything seems to be okay. Click on OK. Now let me run it from here. It will ask you on start, and click on start, and then it will be started. So once it starts, you will see okay, this is started. So now to take the console, click on console, and this will take you to this page. Again, the password is osboxes.org, the guest section, and here is your box. So that's it in this video, and I will see you in another video with a few new topics. Till then, take good care of yourself.